This flat blister packaging machine is equipped with a new type of inflatable shaft and an improved film winding method, making replacement more convenient. It features a dual-row feeder, significantly increasing material feeding efficiency. The machine incorporates a photoelectric control system for automatic feeding of PVC, PTP, and hard aluminum packaging, along with an automatic waste edge cutting device. In the lower mechanical zone, an acrylic cover plate replaces the stainless steel cover plate, offering lighter weight and allowing real-time observation of internal operations. Suitable for blister sealing packaging in industries such as food, hardware, and electronics.